Hey everyone, Scott here. Just going to demonstrate Android Studio quickly. If you go into the running Ubuntu Linux 1804 LTS, you can go activities down to software. We can maximize this. Click on the magnifying glass in the top right corner and type in Android Studio. That will let you install, launch, and remove Android Studio. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to click launch from here. I could have also gone to activities, show applications, and then just gone all, if I need to see all of them or frequently, and just clicked on Android. Or I could have clicked on the Windows button and typed in Studio, which will let me also get to it, and it's loaded up at the moment. That was rather quick. We've got some tips, you can cycle through those. I can go File, New Project. I can go Empty Activity. My very first application for the name. Package name, I use sdb.net. You can use your initials. Scott Daniel Bowen, that's me. I recommend that you use yours.com or example.com or something. My very first application with no spaces in lowercase. Home location, leave as a default. Language maybe Kotlin, which is Google's new language, which is kind of like Swift for Apple. Change it to Java, as that's what I'm teaching you. The minimum API level should be API 15 or possibly API little bit higher than that, but we'll go with ice cream sandwich because 403's got 100% of devices approximately. And then click on finish. And when it runs, you'll get some Gradle scripts run, it'll do some source codey sort of stuff, all that sort of stuff. And you get some source code on the right. So we've got the package line, 2 import lines, public class line, all that whatnot. I'll click on run, which is a little green arrow up there. I'm going to run it on a Pixel with API version 25, which I've set up previously. Boots up Android. We can see Android loading. Gradle invocation is finished with 0 errors. Now I've got my very first application with Hello World in the middle of the screen, and we can stop it. We can drag it from the bottom. Search the apps, so we can go that'll do my very first application. We can hit the stop button, flick it off to the right, which will close it. We can reload it, we can close it and reload it, and that's pretty much all we can do. I haven't written any source code yet, but that's an example of what you can do in about 5 minutes with Android Studio. It's not too bad. If you hold down over the power button, hold it down for about 3 seconds with a left click, hold down over 3 seconds, then click on power off. That will shut down the Android virtual device or your little imaginary phone, so to speak, and then you can go File, Save All, File, Exit. Yes, I want to exit Android Studio. That's pretty much all there is to it, really. I can load up System Monitor if you want to have a look at that. You can see my 32 core system running sweet bugger all load using 2.3 gigs of memory at the moment out of 31.3 gig, 700 meg reserved for Linux. No swap, and the network has received 1.9 gig and sent 86 meg or 87 meg approximately, so it's not doing too shabberino at the moment, but I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye.